just... If I don't have one broken item in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, like, is it really Ipsy? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually going over both boxes I got the same day, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and my BoxyCharm. So we're going to be going over both of these boxes. I'm going to try everything on for you guys, and at the end of the video I will tell you what I think about them and which box ended up winning. So if you guys are interested in the try-on portion, I will go ahead and put that time above. So if you guys are interested in that, you have the timestamp, but if you guys are interested in the unboxing portion, that's right now. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, let's start with BoxyCharm. This is actually changing. So it used to be $21 a month. Now I believe it is going up to $25 a month starting November 1st. And also there is a BoxyCharm Premium, which is $35 a month. I actually have signed up for the premium box, so I will start getting that in November, and that is the $35 a month box. But it has gone up, and you are now able to customize it a lot more. There's actually a lot of changes that are coming. Excuse this light ray, it's super rude. And it has it all here on the pamphlet if you guys want to pause that and read it, as my nail is in the way. But let's go over what's in my month's box. So this is a beautiful box, you guys. I'm very, very happy with this box this month. So I did get Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette in Marvelous Mauves, and this is $32. And these colors, you guys, holy pigment. Let me just swatch a couple for you guys, like live, so you can actually see. I'm going to do this. Oh, they're so soft. Dose of Colors formula is incredible. If you guys haven't tried their Desi X Katie palette, that is the only one that I own, and I would highly recommend it. It's absolutely stunning. So let's get out of this light ray, and let's swatch it here. So pigmented. They're beautiful, and these are such beautiful colors for fall. So the next item is Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, and it's an ultra hydrating priming skin balm that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. So this is $32 as well, and I did use this as my primer today. Then I got the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss, and that is the one that I'm wearing right now. It's very pepperminty. I mean, I don't think my lips look any bigger, but it feels nice. And this is $26 for a gloss. Oh my god, that's so much money. I'm sorry, that's not worth it. The next is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisturize Leave-In Mask. I did use this in my hair. I did spray some in there, and it's $16. I don't know if this is the travel size or like a luxe sample size, but it's pretty tiny. I thought we were supposed to get full-size products. This is definitely not a full-size product, so just, you know, keep that in mind. And the last product in the box was this Luna by Luna eyeliner, and this is $16, and this is in the color Asteroid. I have not opened it up. Baby blue didn't really go with this eye look, but I'm still really happy about this. I don't know how this lasts throughout the day, but that's what I got in BoxyCharm this month, and this is the grand total of the box. So, you know, math, I'll do that in editing. So let's move on to Ipsy's. Ipsy is $25 a month, and you also get 5 to 6 full-size items. And there is a time of the month where you can choose to get items for a lot cheaper and have them included in your box. I did not do that. I don't normally do that, but I think if there's really good items, I will. So for this box, this is Discover Yourself, and they teamed up with Betty Boop to create some fun items for this box. So the first thing was the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Define Exfoliator, and this is $79. expensive. So I'm really, really excited to use this because I just ran out of my exfoliant. And then there was the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in Martini. I am wearing that here on the center. This light ray is bothering me. This is a loose pigment. I thought it was, you know, because it said paint pot. I thought it was going to be like, you know, like a gel type consistency, like a Super Shock or just like a putty kind of shadow. But it's pure pigment, you guys. It is an actual pigment. So keep that in mind. But this was really nice to get in our box. And this was $22. And then we got the Trace All Over Starlighter Powder Stick in Ultraviolet. And this is $18. Mine did come broken. But I still put it on. And it is actually really beautiful. So this is just a really cute little fun package. It looks like a crayon on the top. But it was very purple. Wait till you guys see that in the try-on portion. Did I say that was $18? And then there's the Betty Boop Ipsy Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette. This was so beautiful, you guys. These colors are perfect for my skin tone, which has some yellow in it. So I absolutely adore these types of colors. Let me swatch a couple of these blush shades. This one is like a beautiful peachy pink with gold, and this one is a really light, kind of iridescent looking shade. I don't know if you can really see. They're blushes. I think this one is more a topper, and they're beautiful. So I was really happy to get that because I love blush, and that was $28. And then the last thing was the Jules Smith Beauty Power Gloss Duo and Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. $32. Jeez. What is this highway robbery for glosses nowadays? So here is those two colors. I did not use these two. And we did get a makeup bag. I can't remember the last time I got a makeup bag in my Ipsy. But it's got this cute little heart zipper. It does have sequins. They don't change colors, they're just black. And then you have this cute little Betty Boop insignia on the end here, and this is a faux leather. So it is really cute. I like it a lot. And this is the box total for this month. Ignore all the light on my face. But if you guys are interested in seeing me try all these products on, and seeing which box was my favorite, then just keep watching. Okay, we're gonna start with this Glassy Skin Balm. It says that you can put multiple layers. I'm just going to put a thin amount, and it says that this can prime your makeup. So that's nice. I mean, I look very moisturized, so I guess it's doing what it's supposed to do. So now I'm gonna put in this Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Briogeo smells very spa-like every time I use it. Okay, so it looks like the next thing is eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop on my makeup, and then we'll come on and we'll do an eye look mixed with the Marvelous Mauves palette and the Tarte Chrome paint. So we'll go ahead and put these two together. This is from BoxyCharm and this is from Ipsy. I have done the eyes. I absolutely love this look. It's so pretty for fall. If you guys are interested in these eyelashes, which are very beautiful, but also very hooded eye friendly because they're tiny in the inner corners and then they get really big and bushy on the outer corners. Bushy a good term to describe lashes? They are from KP Cosmetics and they are in the style Fairy Garden. So they're just very long on the ends and shorter on the inner corners. So as hooded eye ladies, you can see as much lid space as possible, and it does lift our eyes up. So let's move on with the rest of the look. I'm going to use the blush palette from the Ipsy and Betty Boop. It's super cute. And I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with this shade. No, this one has a little bit of gold in it, so I'm going to go in with this center shade. Yeah, that's going to be really pretty. Ooh, that's got a really beautiful sheen to it. I like that. It's not crazy. It's very subtle, but it does have a beautiful like gold sheen to it. And then for highlighter, I'm going in with this Trestique Ultraviolet, and this is also from Ipsy. And you're supposed to roll this up. Well, mine doesn't roll up, but just oh, mine broke. That's a ray of light. I'm sorry, it's very bright out. So mine just popped out. Maybe I can do it this way. We'll see. It's not very wet. It is very woo! That's purple. Let me just oh, okay, that blends out really beautifully actually. Okay, purple. Oh, it's this is why is all my Ipsy stuff always come broke? Does anyone else have issues, or is that literally just me? I feel like all of my Ipsy things are always broke every month. If I don't have one broken item in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, like, is it really Ipsy? It's actually really beautiful. Now I do have 2 sets of lip products here. I have the iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss, and then I have these, and actually I think this one will look prettier. They're all lip glosses, so I'm just going to put on this one with this eye look. It doesn't seem to have a color or a smell, and it's just very sheer, which is fine. Has a little bit of like a milky pink color to it. Oh, feels like peppermint. Yep. As like straight up peppermint on my lips. So, I mean, out of 5 items, 4 won. And I did get an extra little bag on top of that. So, Ipsy did amazing. Let's check out BoxyCharm. Actually, Ipsy won because BoxyCharm got 3 and Ipsy got 2. So, for this month, I think Ipsy won over BoxyCharm. But you guys, let me know what you got in your boxes. Let me know if you guys got some holy grail items, because I actually love that blush palette from Ipsy. It's beautiful. And I love this Marvelous Mauves from Dose of Colors. Beautiful. That is all I have, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!